Okay, today's video we're going to be aligning a door that the door is off, skewed a little bit, and it's hitting the frame. It's a very simple fix. We'll take care of it right now. Okay, I got a work order for a door that's hitting the frame. You guys can see it there. Hits the frame. Look at the hinge. It moves because it's hitting the frame. First thing we're gonna do is yell at the kids. Don't be hanging on the doors. I'm just kidding. First thing we're gonna do is we're gonna check that these screws are all tight and the hinges are tight. Of course, I already did that before I started doing this video, but that's the first thing you're gonna do. Sometimes some loose hinges will cause that, so all you gotta do is just tighten them. In this case, they are tight, but you'll see here where it's been hitting for some time and it's been damaging the frame. No, not really damaging, just the paint. Anyways, it's a really simple fix. If we were trying to go the other way, if we had too much of a gap on this side, then it'd be really easy just putting some kind of a spacer behind the hinge and letting the whole door run that way. In this case, we would need to go this way towards the side of the frame, towards the hinge side of the frame, and that's a whole different scenario. But it's really simple. It's really easy, and we're gonna go over it right now. Okay, so now we got the door closed, and what we want to do is we're gonna take this hinge off, of course. Take it off. No big deal. What we want to do is, ideally we want the door to come this way. And you'll see where my knuckles are, my hinge knuckles. So we want to line, if we were here, our hinge knuckles would line up with these knuckles that are from the frame hinge, side of the hinge. So all we need is a crescent wrench. I got this one, it's kind of small, I'm not sure I'm gonna cut it. And then we just bend the knuckles. It may be too small. I've got another tool here. I'm gonna use this backboard right here. This is better in this case. So now I'm moving the knuckles over this way. This one a little bit. And I mean, they're not 100% lined up yet, but they'll work. They'll slide the door over to where I need it. So that's gonna do it. That's gonna let this door close without hitting at all. And you can see it right there. Go smoothly, and it's not gonna hit anymore. I could adjust those knuckles a little bit more, but for now, you see how I closed this gap here? That was pretty big, not that big anymore. And that's pretty much it. Have a great day. Well, if you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe. I'm starting this channel. I'll be uploading how-to videos, easy stuff, not the really complicated stuff, but stuff that homeowners can use, that maintenance techs can use, that investors can use, that property managers can use. I'm going to be uploading stuff that I've learned over time, and that a lot of my colleagues have taught me too, and they're still teaching me because I'm still always learning. And so I want to share it with you guys, and I'm hoping you guys will find value in my videos, and I'm hoping you guys will subscribe.